issue. Concentrate more on autonomy forest now. Now, contaminant for air then say.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana MTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. A Krobi or Western region, or Mundi Asem, Biaba, Abontia, Umbeka. They are having issues with the fact that the way the anti-Galamsey task force go about duties no and share that year papa na enyo mu den so esan say they feel say there are some excesses happening. Me hun clip no first no I was tempted to sympathize with them because to be frank I believe say any operation that happens comes with its own excesses. Especially when critical issues like Galamsey issues where Kaya under Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, the former president, different approaches were tried. Burning of excavators and the likes. These were approaches that some of them were excesses, but because the problem was so great and we got to solve it as soon as possible, we were left with no other choice. Okay, to the extent that even our own women organizer, who was even doing legal small-scale mining, her equipments were bent.
The way we were film, and other things. You see,
and other
information. One thing I want all of us to know is say, as I see, illegal money was concession or owner. For example, Akunta mining, waje concession all over my constituency, he is the person who should be questioned. That person should be questioned and bring people out. For now, this are more. They should bring them out. So I made them away on our say you. Made them on our say forest. Made them on our say we. So that we bring that person out. We actually abua mayoku saa nipa na process adwuma but obi asabio onam ba bia otin moto so akotwa no board there we say one team boots now na say gina oko hen I suspect say oko Galamsey asi the match there. I don't think it works like that. So there's that kind of intimidation in my constituency. What I would think those who have been brought here to listen to me and make sure say I have the police for almost say they are part of this operation. They are launching. Me akwakochi na school down no. And I'm all about say rich for the only say had me here. School down no I say cry no bibia ye. The be na kakra ni. Na ye na community decided say school down for. Ndi ekotwa blocks. Ekotwa blocks ni we na to anwa ye de be hye dan no. Eti mi kwatate honorable PM no so ni mo bi a all machines a otu anwea owo machines na excavator bi go to anwea nti be contact na hwe nti ndo yi memo hanu ma na omo nipa baaye se o se wo mehwe ye kwa no a machine be fa so a o de anwea ne be ba no ampa ba ye kwa no che se ba bi wo bridge me bi wo bridge le jisa nti do bo azo na nti mi fa bridge ne so this is a bridge no esi se bridge wetin na bridge wo me na ye yi and yes, I let you the abroad what boy happen. But between you had the machine, I be bridge in my until Monstrano. No machine in my and you could be a no machine a metal a bridge in so. Now you may adoma, you to Amiana, can it my editing up so. And by yourselves or the OCO, look at your own machine number. And you know the best of 530 machine here, they be ready to be more Peter a die. Although yes, I say 12 minutes a day. You got a promise for the best 530 to say, no. You come here, you be trying to pay a bit of your near the echo. You come buy and say, you don't pay an so the machine buy no. You pay money canano. Why am I could no come from the army? You are not educated with more. And maybe I mean, who went to boots to see never from what to bar, or better than Chinese say, cars is a so air patrolling cars and what's up. Then say, you know, come we have a queen head, the Quambiazo, machine at the bar handway, a dream away day, omo ba kuroma die ne ze machine omo ba akọ na me frɛ me committee chairman frɛ mrante hene na me sɛ me ko ngujaye yen ko po mo akyɛw na ncheche mu nche.
And c'est la vie. It is what it is. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, it could be true. Because they almost story, no. Almost say on per se, almost say school dying bina, school dying almost compare excavator B and SMB. But when you listen carefully to the tape, you end up realizing, say, nah, these people, they are NDC folks. The reason why they are NDC folks is because they kept on attacking Akunta mining. That's a clue. Because any issue between you and the police and how they are not understanding you, you simply make your point and go, and hope that the police will do what is right. But if you listen, they kept on, and Akunta mining no mu yewaha, Akunta mining no mu yewaha. So NDC, you can't let Chemaun to me resting. You can't. You can't let Chemaun to me rest. He is always proving to you that he is one step ahead of you. Are you not tired of being outsmarted by Chemaun to me? Papa no, you're smart. Or you're business guru. Or like before you think he thought. And they no cray, Chemaun to me. You think that after MPP had lost the election, Chemaun to me doesn't know that you people, NDC phone, you even come against legal concessions at all. He knew. So that's why he packed away quickly. He sent his things back. So when the land minister, Amakofi Boa, came and he was shedding crocodile tears, or TV so and all those things. Now, by the way, how far? After crying, what next? Soon will come him no what next? Ain't gonna pay any. Yen ara ya assassini Ghana enuni. Is this the Ghana of Akufo-Addo Bawumia? The Ghana that had one of the fastest growing economy in the whole world? Is this the same Ghana? Is this the same Ghana that has been handed over to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on the 7th of January? Because this Ghana there, I say, we are not seeing things well. We are not seeing things well at all. And ya menu kra, asem no nye yi. And try ye kra. Because every day, like, I thought they be cry. Sometimes you wish that you can come and share good news. Say, say. By one day, one scandal. One day, Senye Sami Jemfia, ebeye Sam George. Senye Sam Georgia, ebeye Erika Gbana. Senye Erika Gbana, ebeye we. Dang. As a war film being a act. And every single day episode for Robert. This has been the political round with me, the voice writing on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, and to them, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.